It is the month of November, and this is Joe Zavala, and we're doing the monthly backyard box here in my backyard in Bedford, Texas. And what's better to do in November than something for Thanksgiving, right? Because two things, turkey and leftovers. What do? How about this? This person that I'm bringing in today has taught me what to do with turkey and also how to make some of the best sloppy joes in the world. And that is none other than Jordan Jackson. I cannot wait. We're literally in the backyard.
Yeah, mother and child reunion.
Let's go.
So that's what I'm looking for.
This is live. That right there. In the world. Y'all know that, right? So now it's time for the man, the one and only, Jordan Jackson, to come in here. Oh my God, I cannot believe you're here. In my backyard.
How you doing, bud?
Oh, I'm excited. Like, they told me I had to do the month of November. We had to do turkey, and there's only one person I had to call up because that is you.
Oh, okay.
Well, Jordan, the fire's going, and we got about 20 minutes to kill. Okay. So the only thing I can think about what we can do in 20 minutes, let's talk turkey.
Let's talk about it.
So we're doing a turkey breast today, but what we're gonna do, you can also do with a whole turkey.
Of course.
I just like doing a turkey breast. It's quicker to cook. And when you really think about it, everybody just eats a breast. So, do we need to throw some gloves on?
I'm going to throw in one, and I'll show you why.
Oh, okay.
I like to have one guaranteed clean hand. That's my right hand. And we're going to take this turkey breast. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the top side. And I'm going to take off some of this sinew. Eee.
As you can see, sometimes you need to take it off. Yeah. Want to be clean. You can use a knife, but if you're strong like Jordan, you can just pull it right off.
Pull it right off. So I'm fixing to put the secret ingredient, mayonnaise. I'm going to start with this turkey right side up, and I'll show you why. I'm going to throw the first little bit on. We're going to season it real heavily, and what we're doing is we are creating a fat cap on top of this turkey, so when we cook, it will protect it during the cooking process, and then it will render down all the way down to the flesh, and we will have this perfect turkey.
So is that kind of like almost like a brisket with the fat on top?
Yeah.
We're just putting it on the turkey?
Since we don't have cap fat, we're kind of adding it in a sense. This is not 100%. So don't take us up on this. So now that I have this turkey upside down,
that's the key. Remember, start on the top. We're going to flip it upside down.
Joe's special bird rub. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some of this bird rub to a cup because I have a secret thing I'm going to do.
I've been cooking turkey for the last 5 years all wrong. I cannot believe I've missed this.
You're lucky. I brought my personal rub sage. We're going to add some rub sage to this because I've never had turkey without sage. And I'm not starting the day. So we're going to put, I don't know, a quarter of what we just put in of the bird rub. We're going to mix it all up. I'm going to put on another glove. So we've got this nice, beautiful sage. My favorite place to eat is a cafeteria that serves turkey year-round.
Is that Luby's?
I'm not saying.
The roll, the mac and cheese, it's my fave.
But I go there every time. I ate turkey and dressing. There's heavy sage in the dressing, and there's sage on the turkey. I believe. So
they make everything from scratch here.
Yeah. So I've got this turkey upside down, and the reason why is because when I flip it right side up, it will be on the most beautiful side. And I want
the money side?
The money side. And just about done seasoning this thing.
It's just like you're painting a picture, right?
It is.
So I always tell people the higher you are, the more coverage. Mm-hmm. And then if you miss a spot, you come down low to hit what you need, right? Oh, you've done that at time too.
So that's great coverage right there. You might want to hit the little head of it. But my job is to not handle this because with the mayonnaise being on top, if I touch it, you will see my fingerprints. We're not ready to touch it, so we're going to leave it here. Guess what? We don't have to sanitize the cutting board either.
Yes, because I'm not going to lie. cleaning up is the worst part of barbecuing. I hate it. Like, I'm so lucky that I have my wife that yells at me. Actually, she doesn't yell. She encourages me to stay clean. So I need to get better at it.
So something else you can do with this recipe, it's really good on chicken breast. Nobody ever does that on chicken breast, but I promise you, if you do your chicken breasts like this, they're going to come out pretty dang good.
Wow, I didn't even think about that. That sounds amazing.
That's why I do the thinking for you. So now we're just going to let this sit for about 20 minutes while we get this fire ready and let it kind of soak in, and then we're going to move on to the next segment.
How exciting is that? Now you know how to take your turkey to the next level. Bird rub, add the sage to it. It's going to be amazing. We'll be back.
So,
Wow.
check her out. 58, 59, 160.
All right.
So now we're going to take it off. I'm a pro. We're going to bring it over here and we're going to let it carry over. I don't know, let's say 5, 10 minutes, 8 minutes.
Oh, that's all we need. We don't have to wait like 20 minutes? 30 minutes? 10 minutes is fine.
I want a taco.
Okay.
Do you want a taco?
I do. Like,
What?
I love it. I love it.
This isn't Thanksgiving dinner. I want a taco. I've got 10 minutes.
So actually, you brought up a good point. This is turkey breast. If we're cooking whole turkey,
Yeah.
we want to take the thighs to
175
175.
ish.
Yeah.
Everybody's got their own interpretation of it, but I think the safest way to do it, because the breast takes so long,
Yep.
you get the thighs up to about 175. That should give you about a 165 breast.
And also, like, the secret is, if you got to feed a lot of people, buy 3 or 4 10 to 12 pound turkeys, not the 20-pound turkey.
Oh my gosh, they won't even fit on here.
Yeah, it would.
That would be like trying to put this log in here. That's the 20-pound turkey. Doesn't happen.
So,
Doesn't happen.
smaller is better.
Yes. Smaller birds taste better.
They do. A lot more moist, a lot more juicy.
Yeah.
Probably not a whole bunch of antibiotics or hormones in there.
No,
right?
younger birds taste better, I think.
Oh, hands down. So,
Hands down.
and I would probably say, you're looking at a 10, 12 pound whole turkey, maybe 6, 8 hours-ish, depending on how you're cruising along.
I do not want to tell you a time because I've always cooked 40 birds at a time. So I don't know how to cook one. So I'm going to leave that one up to you.
So I'm going to say about 6 or 8 hours, and you want to take it to 175 that thigh, pull it off, and it'll be good to go. And also another secret about it is, it's okay to cook it a couple of days beforehand, let it come down to a rest, put it in the refrigerator, and the day of, slowly reheat it. 225 in the oven, cover with a whole bunch of butter in a whole bunch of foil, slowly. And you're just going to bring it up to about 160, 165.
Or the browning bags
Oh,
work
yeah.
really well. You can put stock and stuff in there. I learned if you set those 10 to 12 pound birds in those metal pans, when you're cooking them, you can have the bird in a rack and you can spin it. If you need to turn it in the pit to get different parts of the bird done, spin it. You don't have to pick the bird up and risk like damaging the bottom of it.
Actually, you brought up a good point. You can, when I say reheat it, I was thinking about the oven, but
I'm talking about during the cook.
Oh, even the cook, but even when you reheat it, you can turn your Traeger on, turn on your smoker, and everybody thinks you smoked the day of. And you're looking like a superhero. And you get to sleep, because that's what we all care about. We want sleep, right?
Yes.
So we're gonna let this rest for 5 more minutes, because I've been talking for 5 minutes, and we're gonna slice it up, and we're gonna make a turkey taco.
Turkey taco. That's why we're here.
Got the tortillas!
Don't burn yourself.
Now it's time for a taco.
Oh my God.
Hey, we're live in the backyard. Stuff happens. The tree just fell on it, but you know what? It doesn't matter, because it's still gonna taste good.
It pollinated it, so we might have more turkeys.
That is so I need some turkey.
So there's a million different ways you can cut a turkey. We're going to get you the good stuff. What part of the turkey would you like?
I would
Good
like
sir?
give me a piece of the breast.
You're just in luck.
Oh man. You've done this once or twice, right?
Lay your tortilla out. Oh, those are perfect little tortilla slices right there, sir.
I love it. Can you pass me some of that bird rub?
Yes.
So-
Pro tip.
If you want to take it up to the next level, just throw a little more bird rub on there right before you're going to eat it. Just like that. And you know what? You're going to love it. So, let's see how good it is. Man, Thanksgiving is going to be a place that everybody wants to come to at your house this year.